Hello everyone, welcome to JK Dent Ease. During my evaluation work, I have gone through numerous answer sheets. Students have the data for writing the answers, but they don't know how to make them presentable. Hence, in this video, I will give you some tips on how to write exam paper. So, you can recreate your answers in more decent and presentable format. Tip number 1. Do not read an hour before exam. Do not try to recall whatever you have studied before distribution of answer sheet. As soon as the question paper is being distributed, read the question paper completely. Keep your mind calm. Do not waste time reading the question paper. Do not take more than 3 minutes to read. Tip number 2. Choose the best answer you know. If your university allows you to go unsequential manner, go with the one you know the best, as first impression creates great impact on mind. Tip number 3. Make index before starting your answer. All of you are confused. I will clarify what index is. Index is a short description in the form of headings of the answers. You can use flowcharts to describe your index. For example, introduction, definition, classification, ideal requirement, and so on. You can use them as headings. How the index help? It helps you to recall your own answer with the help of headings. Each and every point is covered. In case if you are unable to complete your answer because of shortage of time, the index helps the examiner to know that you know the answer. Tip 3. Always write point-wise. Avoid paragraphs. If you feel your answer is lengthy, use flowcharts. If you need to describe any mechanism of action or any procedure, go with the flowcharts. Use of flowcharts save time as well as give maximum information in less amount of time. Tip number 4. Draw neat and clean diagrams wherever necessary. Try to explain more in diagrammatic format. They are eye-catching and makes your paper presentable. If your university allows you to color, you can use colors. You can color the areas such as nerves, blood vessels, capillaries, or any complex design. Do not draw if you are not sure. Wrong diagram make your answer in doubt. Tip 5. Underline important points or words like name of author or important discoveries. Always keep 10 minutes in spare at the end for highlights. Tip 6. Always use timer to solve your answers. If you don't know the answer, do not waste your time. Go to the next. Manage time properly. Tip 7. Avoid overwriting. If you are a postgraduate student, always quote name of author and year of research. It will add extra marks to your efforts. You can also cite the articles if you remember them. Tip 8. Practice writing. If you have command on writing, you can finish your paper in very less amount of time. It will save your time and will help you to complete your paper. For long questions, draw diagrams, use flowcharts, and cover maximum points. So there are few but important tips. Follow them to improvise yourself. Thank you so much and all the best for the exams. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe by pressing the bell icon. JK Dental.